Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Shanus, and today is just a small update video. I know that I've been MIA lately as far as like videos is concerned, and the first question on everybody's mind is the channel done and over with? Am I done doing projects and things of that nature? And the short answer to that is no, absolutely not. The channel is still very much alive, but I did want to address a few things just because transparency to my viewers. And so with that being said, I feel that this last year has been kind of rough on me as an individual. There's been a mix of everything from stress to work, personal life matters, just an overall change in attitude. This isn't anything to kind of record to get any kind of pity or attention. It's actually more of an awareness video because I think a lot of times, especially with social media involved, people believe that everything that you see is exactly as you see it, and they assume that content creators, whether small or large, are just these bubbly, happy people that don't have their day-to-day grinds, especially when all you're seeing is videos of me dumping money into cars. It should go without saying that we have that ability because of your guys' love and support, so thank you first and foremost. With that being said, I feel that I usually say this in almost every single video, but I am quite literally sitting on tons of footage of projects and things that I've had the energy to record and do these fun things, but I just haven't had the energy or the motivation to sit down and edit all of these videos. So for that, I do apologize. I know last week you probably saw a video that, was recorded at one point and released suddenly. And of course, that was also due to sponsor obligation because I had been sitting on that. Mentally, I haven't been at my best. And again, that's just something that I need to work on. And again, that's the main reason why I'm making this video, is just to kind of let everyone know that it is okay to not be okay. If you are experiencing anything, I do highly advise to open up to somebody, because believe it or not, people do care about you and you're not alone. I did want to say that, believe it or not, everyone's going through something. And I'm going to give you a really brief story without getting all too sappy. That a few weeks ago, I attended the last Cars and Coffee of the season here in San Diego because, the holidays, right? And so it was kind of the last hurrah for a bunch of the guys and I to just get to meet up again and just talk. And I was able to open up to one of the guys that I see regularly. And lo and behold, he's going through stuff himself. As the group got there, a few other guys were like, what are you guys talking about? And we were just very candid, very open. More guys jumped in. And, at the end of the day, I spoke to at least 5 different guys all going through something. Different variety, obviously, right? Different stresses, different levels of concern, but we were all going through something. And that just says a lot about the fact that, I think that doing stuff with cars brings us peace. Going to Cars and Coffee and hanging out is probably an escape from reality. And so that's kind of the thing that I wanted to focus on, is the fact that I do understand that a lot of us keep these things bottled inside, and some of you guys might be better than others at hiding it, including myself. But it gets to a point where it catches up to you and you can't hide it anymore, or at least somebody that's close enough to you that actually knows who you are will kind of notice the differences and see that something's not okay. And I would like to say that if you are that person that is okay and happens to see that somebody isn't doing well, please reach out to them. Please be a good friend. Because sometimes you never know when somebody's on their last thread. And that's not me, for full transparency. I'm very much a positive person, or as positive as I can be. And I just realized that there was a lot of learning that I had to do, a lot of growing up, a lot of self-awareness. Believe it or not, you think that as you get older, you kind of have everything figured out. And I think as you get older, you get wiser. And with that wisdom, you also realize that, your parents didn't have it all together like you thought they did. And they were definitely gracious actors, or, whatever guardian figure you have in your life. They probably did not have it all together, but they definitely did their best. And here we are. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. I'm not okay, but I'm doing my best, I will more than likely be in a better place eventually. But every single day is a challenge, and we just got to continue, fighting and moving forward. We all heal different ways. We all deal with things different ways, but if you feel like you're at the lowest possible, the only way is up from there. So with that being said, guys, I wanted to bring up attention to that because I felt that after that last experience, I feel that not only me, but I feel a lot of people are going through it. I've seen a few content creators that I follow that are much larger than me releasing candid videos about where they've been at with their mental health and everything. And it's shocking, again, to see some of the happiest faces, the people that you would never think would be going through something, maybe going through something much worse than you. Money doesn't buy happiness. Materialistic things don't buy happiness. They definitely provide a good band-aid, and they'll make you feel a lot better in the moment. And for a lot of us, especially people that watch this channel, cars are our escape, and they definitely provide that therapy that we might not get otherwise. So I recognize that. So with that being said, let's leave the mushy out of the way. More videos are coming. I'm going to start jumping into the groove of things. Because the holidays are around the corner, one of the next videos that's going to be coming up is basically just kind of an idea, a gift buyer's guide, so to speak, for the car enthusiasts in your life. I used to do those every single year, and somewhere along the lines I fell off, so apologies. But this year I have a lot of cool little trinkets and things that I want to share along with the other obvious stuff. So I'd say expect that video not this week, but the following week, right before Black Friday. So if there are Black Friday sales, you'll be able to jump on them and, reap the benefits of getting some of these really cool gadgets and, things at a fraction of the cost. So guys, I just wanted to say thank you for staying here. I appreciate the fact that I haven't lost subscribers. I appreciate the fact that some of you people still comment and give me praise, that you say really nice things, and that you provide feedback and ideas. I appreciate the community that I have. I appreciate the car community as a whole. And like I always say, every single video, I truly mean it from the heart. Thank you for all the love and support. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do this, whether it's the motivation or some of the opportunities I've had. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. But please, if you need help, reach out to somebody. If you don't need help and you see somebody that does, please try to help pick them back up. But don't forget to not lose yourself in the process. That's the biggest thing I could tell you. Don't lose yourself. As always, stay safe out there. See you guys in the next video, which will be a few days from this one. It'll actually be an install video, product review, whatnot. But again, thanks for all the love and support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.